South Africa's opposition, MK Party, has demanded the immediate resignation of President Cyril Ramaphosa and called for the dismissal and prosecution of suspended Police Minister Senzo Mchunu. Sabena mashoko arikuda panguva ine kurunyatso kunoka kunzi the MK Party panguva ino irunyatso kudimanda kuti Ramaphosa awanga resign with immediate effect. Sabena mashoko arikuda anyorwa panguva ino. Do subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina manauti zerimu unanywa mchinzi. On Friday, MK Party supporters staged a protest march to the union buildings and the South African Police Services SAPS headquarters in Pretoria, where they handed over memorandums detailing their demands. Reading the memorandum aloud, MK Party national organizer John Lela said the government had 14 days to respond. In quotes, "Our demands are as follows," Lela declared. "We demand President Cyril Ramaphosa resign immediately, the immediate arrest of those implicated by KZN Police Commissioner Ndlala Mkhwanazi Senzo Mchunu to be fired immediately, the immediate unsealing of the C-17 bank statements and accountability of the Vala case." The MK Party has also thrown its weight behind KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndlala Mkhwanazi, who recently accused Mchunu of interfering in police investigations. The memorandum was received by Lieutenant General Samo Chaman on behalf of National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemola. MK Party spokesperson Lapulo Lela said Ramaphosa was no longer fit to govern and accused the African National Congress ANC of abandoning its founding principles. In quotes, "The ANC under Ramaphosa has become a shadow of its former self," said Lela. "It now serves the interests of the elite, not the people it was created to liberate. President Ramaphosa must resign without delay." President Ramaphosa has since placed Mchunu on special leave, pending the outcome of a commission of inquiry into allegations of political interference in political operations. Domashko arikubuda panguva ino arikunyorwa panguva ino yazoratidza kuti aiwa South Africans, especially the MK Party, they are now enough with Ramaphosa. In comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.